Right.
Hi friends, this is Luca, your Ansible pilot. I met a new friend in the Ansible Community Day here in Berlin, and I'm super excited to share them and their project with you. So thank you, Eric and Moritz. Can you please introduce yourself and share more?
Hi, my name is Eric. I'm a principal architect in Red Hat Consulting and also automation community of practice manager within Red Hat.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm Moritz. I'm an architect without the principal in the German consulting team, and I'm also a manager of the automation COP like Eric.
So nice to meet you. I was very interested in your talk, in the talk that you did this morning, sharing about more about the best practice of Ansible. Can you share more with us?
Yes, so a few years ago we started to want to align the practices of the consultants, engineering, support engineers, whoever is working at Red Hat, and basically discussing with our customers so that we have similar way of explaining Ansible, right? Everybody at the base, everybody has good practices, hopefully, but they are different from each other. So we wanted to have a common base. We use something created by colleagues from engineering, actually, and we brought it into the community of practice, and we started to handle it like a community, like code, with pull requests, review, peer review, and decision to merge or not. And it's all available on the internet.
Wow, this is great. It sounds like you are using the approach of GitOps, applying to some kind of best practice. How is different from the Ansible linter?
So our practices go a little bit beyond the linter. So the linter is more checking your code for best practices in terms of like formatting, if you have if you use the right fields and things like that. Our recommendations are also about that, but also go beyond that in the form that they also talk about how to organize your code, what you should put in a role, for example, what not, how to structure your inventory. All those things the linter cannot really check at the moment.
Oh, I see. I'm going to share a link to this wonderful resource in the link below, and I think that there will be a lot of interesting features in the future. How do you see the future?
So we have, during this event, we are here today, we had a connection with Greg, who offered us to merge our content and make it more professional, which is great. And the ultimate goal, the dream of me at least, would be to have a community book we could put on the table, keep in our hands. But we are a long way ago, and we need all help we can to make it a great book. And it will be a community book. It will not be a one-person book, definitely.
That is so great. And I know that a lot of people started white paper, but a book is quite challenging. I can tell you from a direct experience. So I wish you best luck. And something that you want to share about the future?
Not so much, but we are always looking for people to actually contribute. So like we said, we are an open source book basically. So we have a GitHub page, we have an issue tracker. Anyone can basically go there and look at the issues, maybe write their own. If you don't feel comfortable actually adding content, add an issue if there's something missing you think. If you disagree with something, also open an issue. And of course, the preferred way to interact is to open a pull request so we can then review it and you can contribute to our little guide.
This is so great. I think that this goes beyond the code. There are people, there are decisions, there are discussion, and it's really what creates the Ansible community. Thank you so much for starting this project, and let's automate more. Bye!